Racing just is started. We have through and up break quickly to start running by the release Lady Galore. Manly Thunder Ribbon in the middle portion. Winning hand comes next, then followed by Loretta. Lassasim has it coming. Unica Champ Perfection, while RGA is the early trailer by about 14 lengths of the leader. And going along for the first turn, we have Lady Galore on its favorite position as the pace setter by about 6 lengths, and in second is Thunder Ribbon running by the release. Winning hand next on line is Manly, True Enough Perfection. Alongside comes Lassasim. Loretta comes next, then followed her by Has It Coming. Unica Champ racing second last, while RGA is still racing in 11th. Inside the rest octavo, we have Lady Galore is still in command, maintaining a 5 lengths lead. Winning hand in second, True Enough to take third. Thunder Ribbon Perfection, Lassasim, Loretta, Unica Champ now starting to stretch up. Then next on line now is Has It Coming, Manly, while RGA is still racing in 11th as they swing for home. We have Lady Galore by about 2 lengths, running by the Thunder Ribbon. True Enough, Unica Champ is on the outside, last 75 meters. Lady Galore moving up on the outside. True Enough, Unica Champ, and finally it's going to be a close finish. Unica Champ, Lady Galore, then comes True Enough Perfection, Thunder Ribbon, and Loretta.
Just in the nick of time. 6 to 11, 375. According to, ano yan